compare of today's program, most respected Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Nepiu Rio, my esteemed cabinet colleagues, advisors and MLA colleagues, DCSP Moon, party workers from NPF and PJB, my beloved citizen of Mon District. Azi, yadi, our Honorable Chief Minister logode hekumbani korigina aha. Apnakan iman tangor program bunagina amyang ke rupitaga sob apnakan logode. Azi festival naam ra sob salam jana ase. Aru Christmas New Year pe ahi ase. Ito amar Christmas New Year naam ra bi ami apnang ke sob salam jana ase. Yade apnakan Nagaland Kisima Hornbill Festival, coinciding with this our today's festival. Kono jagade inaka nai, Kohima aru moon diase. It is because of our Honorable Chief Minister, Yade Gio Libi. Those 10 Pidor de 3 do Yade Moon District de be Manibo, Koegana, Ito Punaigana, Amyang shop, Ito Chamakurigo Tiagane, our Honorable Chief Minister Lugodibi, Dunya Batiase, our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Nepiu Rio, he has so much concern for ENPO, especially for our Konyak brothers and sisters. Ito berap nakan. Kami kan sob ikilugode tar karne long life di bole aro piche de bi kami sob miligina dai laga under de dai laga leadership de kami kan kam kuri chabo ko gina apna kan lugode bi ito request kure ase. Here today, actually, our chief guest, the Honorable Union Minister, he could not attend, but our most respected Chief Minister, Tade Kambi Manase, Taila program, Hulibi, Jiolibi, Moon, Tedo Trabo, Amar Laga, Pilawit, Amar Laga, Moram Kura District, Amar Konyakan Lugode, Lok Nogoregina, Hornbill Festival, Kodam Huele, Those tendo kodam hole amar moon aram nai kuye ginamin ge yade anyani mede ami tara logode dunya batia se aru please ami kan aha tin de holibi miligina eke logode miligina tai laga leadership de kam kori chabo koi na mi sotra eto koi dia se. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. Your presence today is indeed a blessing for the Konyaks. Ladies and gentlemen, I now welcome